Amid the devastating landslides in the Enga province of Papua New Guinea, Ministry of External Affairs has announced an immediate assistance of $1 million. A flight carrying approximately 19 tons hard supplies has departed for Papua New Guinea today. The aid comprises of 13 tons of disaster relief material, including temporary shelter, water tanks, hygiene kits and meals ready to eat, and 6 tons of emergency use medicines, medical equipment including dengue and malaria, diagnostics kits, baby food, etc. have also been given out. MEA has also tweeted that India stands together in the time of difficulty. My colleague Roshali is with us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Roshali, if you could take our viewers to the latest developments that are coming in as far as the aid that India has given out, if you could give our viewers a better understanding on that front.
Well, India has sent 19 tons of humanitarian and disaster relief, which is HADR material, to Papua New Guinea at the Enga province, which is badly hit by the major landslide that we all have witnessed. Last month, also, India announced that around $1 million assistance to the island nation in the wake of this landslide. Over 2,000 people were killed, as we know, that in landslide, and post that the external ministry spokesperson Randir Jaiswal has also come up. He has tweeted and he stated that in the wake of this devastating landslide in Enga province of Papua New Guinea, the India has announced the immediate relief, immediate assistance of $1 million to our close CIPIC partners. So certainly, India has always, helping neighbors, and at this point of time, when Papua New Guinea is going through very bad phase, at this point of time, India has provided the assistance. This includes, different types of help, right from the as we know that the number of people who are suffering at this point of time. So the aid which has been provided, which includes the temporary shelter, water tanks, hygiene kits, meals, ready-to-eat meals, so that that will be beneficial for people who are hungry at this point of time.
Yeah.
And 6 tons of emergency medicine that also have been provided in this particular kit, and medical equipment which includes the dengue and malaria kit to diagnose how many people are really affected after this disaster. Baby food, etc. have also inducted in this particular kit that we are knowing from our sources.
All right, okay.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.